months?
Yeah. And then
And we're in rainy season, no?
it is rainy season though, yeah.
Go ahead. Don't mind me. You can go ahead. I just like videotaping everything. Made it to Diani Beach, you guys. Like, okay, not to be arrogant, I've traveled quite a bit, but this place is epic. Like, my hotel is on another level. So I'm staying at the Sand Nomad. If you're ever in town, you guys just check out my hotel room. First of all, yes, that is the water you're hearing. My front view is the beach, and that's my, I can't, I'm just gonna show you guys. No big deal. It rained today, but it's like rainfall in the middle of my hotel room. This is my favorite part. Literally going up the stairs. These stairs are so cool. Like, so cool. And just in case I want more room for myself, I don't know what this is, but this cute little bed, if I had a kid, you know, it'll be super cute. Little castle. And you see from the top. Yes, do some coffee, espresso machine, and then my favorite part, well, the stairs are my favorite part. The backyard, hot tub, outdoor shower, so cool. Okay, so it was kind of raining today, so when I landed it was like a little rainy, but anyone that knows the African continent, at least sub-Saharan Africa, similar to Congo, I think. Right now it's rainy season in Kenya, but the cool thing about it is that when it pours, the next day it means it's gonna be mad sunny, which I'm super excited about. So no big deal, just, you know, the beach behind me. But anyways, I'm heading to this restaurant called the Cove. It's one of the top rated. So if you're ever in Diani, you have to make reservations beforehand. My friend told me about it and I reserved like 2 weeks ago. And then it's really cool. So when you're at the Sand Hotel, you just call the Cove or Cave restaurant and they come pick you up instead of paying for taxi. So I'm super excited to head there and do that. And I'm hungry as always. And then after that, I'm just gonna come back, relax. So yeah, 4 days of beach life, which is what I wanted. And yeah, when in Kenya. People take videos all the time. Oh, this is so cool. Okay. Oh my god. morning from Diani Beach. I didn't sleep well at all. No, I think I slept like for 5 hours, which is better. It was actually better, but it was like interrupted. Like my issue with insomnia, I go to bed too early because I just get tired at like 9:30. But then by midnight, I'm already awake. Like, and then after that, I don't go back to bed until like 2, 3 in the morning, and then again until 6 in the morning. It's messed up. But anyways, morning from Diani. Today it's raining, but I have a feeling it's gonna get sunny in the afternoon. I actually like the rain. It's very calming. So I'm sure I'll grab breakfast. And then after breakfast, I'll hit the gym. After the gym, if it's sunny, I'll hit the beach. If not, I'll just come on my patio, do some YouTube editing, catch up on emails, read a book. And then in the evening, they're having like a little get-together cocktail for people at their bar. I'm gonna go. Like, super cool. So, yeah. And if it's sunny in the afternoon, actually, I don't know. I may go downtown into the market, check out the market locally, and see what that's all about. But yeah, just taking it easy, chilling. And by the way, while in Kenya, I noticed that here, I think they have a lot of products for obviously black skin. Hello, it's a black country. But I bought some hyperpigmentation product, some product for psoriasis, and honestly, in 2 days, it's already getting way better. So this is the issue, I think. I'm buying too many skincare products in North America, which I don't think those products are made for like African sun, African skin, because Kenya and South Africa have been coming through. So I'm happy. Okay, I just realized all the guests were invited for welcome cocktail. I completely forgot. So I'm gonna head there, check it out. Literally, there's like 5 minutes left. Hopefully, I can get a glass of a cocktail, and then after that, I'm gonna go grab dinner. So yeah, no big deal. Again, the beach behind me. I know it's kind of light, but super cool. I feel so relaxed, so refreshed. I prefer rum.
So we'll do a food first, rum.
Perfect. And I like sweets, you know?
Yeah, to be sweet.
Yeah. Look how cute my room is. And like literally like rainfall. And at the top there's a hole. At night there's like rain falling. It's so soothing. But anyways, we had a really chill morning. Met a super cute South African couple. So nice. We exchanged contacts. They're biking around Africa. Like that's so epic. Anyways, now I'm gonna head to lunch. Literally, I'm not hungry. This is an issue with me and weight gain. I'm not hungry. But there's this restaurant called Salty Squid that I heard amazing things about. I'm gonna go there, have an appetizer, and check it out. And then I'm getting a massage, aromatherapy, literally $40 for 1 hour. And then after that, just come home and chill. So let's do that. Okay, back to Nomad Resort. It's so peaceful. I can hear the water. Overall, salty squid was so good, but right now it's because it's rainy season. They just told me it's like the flies are on another level, so I was like slapping myself every 2 seconds. Other than that, amazing food. Like I had the octopus salad, spicy shrimp, some incredible wildflower drink, some ginger dawa, and coconut water. Like so good. And now I'm back to my hotel where I have a massage booked. You know your girl loves a good massage everywhere she goes. And here it's so cheap, literally 40 bucks. And oh my god, this is so cool. Not a big deal. Okie dokie, massage is done. Incredible, incredible. Such a good massage. And if you're ever in Kenya, I would advise you, if you're coming like me with $1, change a few money. I don't know how long you're gonna be here. Cash in shillings. That way you can tip people. Because if you do the math, on average, their minimum wage is like $3 a day, which is insane. But that doesn't cover transport or food when they're at their job. So really, I did the math. It comes out to like $1 a day, which is ridiculous. And they have such incredible customer service. So everywhere I go, I try to tip them. 10 to 20%, I think, is more than enough. And then now I'm gonna go to my room, change, and then hit the beach. It's so sunny out, finally. I'm gonna take advantage, hit the water for like 30 minutes, and then catch up on some emails, and then dinner. Ah. Ooh, lighting. Okay, which one has the better lighting? So weird. This side, that's so random. Anyways, last night in Diani, heading out to dinner. And yeah, super cool. Honestly, Nomad Resort Hotel was bomb. If you're ever in Diani, Kenya, this place was incredible. I mean, the house itself, I have a freaking rainforest in the middle of my room. And I have insomnia, which, by the way, last night had the most amazing sleep ever. And so the house a lot, and it's just so cool. And like the architecture, I don't know. These people have a whole another level of imagination. The service was impeccable. So they're not sponsoring, but just a girl who loves to travel. And if you're ever, look at these staircases. I just can't. It's a vibe. So if you're ever in Diani and you're like, oh, where do I stay? But to be fair, there's so many options in Diani. Like there's so many hotels, but really I think the Nomad, between the service, the food, the architecture, and the fact that my place is right in front of the water, it's insane. So I'm gonna head out to dinner. Love the food here. By the way, the package that I chose, not only do I have a beautiful place to myself, but it came with breakfast and dinner. So that's another thing, which I didn't realize how tired I would be on this trip. So I'm grateful I took this package. It just made life so much easier. And then lunch, I would do lunch in other restaurants and resort nearby just to explore. So let's head out to dinner. Look what I just saw right in front of my place. Oh, just a random cat just lounging. Don't mind me, baby. Look at the sunshine. It's like in my face. Last day in Diani one morning because my flight leaves at noon. I'm gonna grab breakfast and then I'm gonna hit the beach. Literally, it's so sunny today. Where was the sun the last 4 days? Like, ugh. But anyways, I'm just grateful. And so yeah, I slept really well. Well, I wouldn't say like really well. Like part of the insomnia was that I kept waking up every 2 hours. But for some reason, I think maybe the beach sound, the waves, I was going back to sleep at like after like 5 minutes, which I'm grateful for. So I'm noticing a pattern here. Like Noemi belongs by the beach or by nature. I think maybe because I'm naturally someone that's very intense and passionate, I feel like I do better in a calmer environment. Maybe it's just me, or maybe everybody should live by nature. I don't know. But happy Monday in Tiani. Oh my god. So, you know, I was just casually walking by the beach and guess who decided to come in front of my hotel room? Bunch of monkeys. Oh, I'm so happy. This is so cool.